What if I told you, in one of the fastest cities on earth, there's a place where time stopped? Not in a guidebook, not in a vlog, just silence, stories, and a few forgotten trees. I wasn't expecting to find this, but it was exactly what I needed. I came to Singapore chasing stories of 2,000 bonsai trees, but legends fade, and what I found instead was a city of steel and speed. People moved like algorithms, the air buzzed with purpose. But someone whispered about a place in the city that has been forgotten. A garden, hidden to us in the West, a story almost erased.
Next station, Newton. Change at the next station for the downtown line.
They said this used to be one of the biggest bonsai gardens in the region, thousands of trees shaped over decades. But when I arrived, I found a few. And it didn't matter, because they were perfect. This wasn't a museum, it was a sanctuary. No crowds, no noise, no signs, no shouting for attention, just wind, water, and quiet stories carved in bark. In this small forgotten garden, I found more peace than I ever expected. Each bonsai stood like an elder, weathered, alive, and waiting. The path led me away from the trees, but not away from their silence. This garden doesn't speak loudly, it hums in textures, in shadow, in the way the wind chooses a leaf to move. I wandered, not looking for anything, but everything was here. Time moved differently here, slower, softer. The stones beneath my feet have been walked on for decades, yet they carry no weight, only stillness. When I found a tea house tucked between the trees, I didn't enter. I watched, as if it might disappear if I blinked. Then, I returned back, to look again, but this time to truly see. All the trees had their own story to tell. Each one felt like a poem, whispered, not shouted, shaped by time, rooted in silence. It was as if the city disappeared behind their leaves. I came looking for something rare, and I found it, not in the size of the garden, but in the way it made me feel. I came for a grand story, but I found something smaller and more precious. Back in the city, something felt different. Not the city, me. The garden had stayed with me, in my breath, in my space. It didn't quiet the world, it quieted me. Suddenly, Singapore looked softer. I noticed color in places I'd walked past before. I saw vines climbing glass towers like art, flowers blooming in corners of concrete. Even the shadows felt warmer. I'd gone looking for bonsai, stillness shaped into trees, but brought back something else, a way of seeing. In the noise, I had found silence, and it stayed with me. And all it took was one hidden garden and a few quiet trees. It wasn't a spectacle, it was a sanctuary. And maybe that's all I really needed, a new perspective, a calm inside that I can carry home with me and share with you.